We're looking at the waterfalls. It's got no name but that. And during the rainy season, you can actually see water in the waterfall. We're down on Highway 80 outside of Bisbee. And I think we're going to go up there by car and look down. And this is our host, Phil Estrada. Also, Jeb is with us, a Marine, local artist, Phil Estrada. When you live in an arid climate, high plateau as we do, the sight of water is just wonderful. We're in the monsoon season. So we're making our way up. We're going to try to go to the base of the big falls there. Yeah, we're about midway there. It's a view down. Is Phil posing? We want to keep going, huh? So you want to go. This water just oozing out of the rocks. Turning them black. See, more so lichen, what do they call that? And that's what we saw from the road. This would be a great place for music, but never will I put our music on YouTube, never. The hell with them. I'll sing. Damn record companies. Yeah, we can keep going further, huh? Hey, you're better off going this way, Jeb. Behind these rocks. You have to go all the way on top. Yeah, I wouldn't take a chance on those rocks. This is a view down again. Some people looking at us. Yeah, that's Phil. He went all the way in. And they'll show your butt. They'll take this off YouTube. That's a desert rut for you.
My skinny dip when I go to the store, so that's all there is to it. My underwear becomes my towel.
We're in a different canyon now. You can see someone has built a house in a cave. See that stairs. Phil is taking us to this ideal location